On Monday, MLA Paul Dangshu inspected 3 separate construction sites designated for community halls in the Mashli Marak Para, Mashli Hati and Deo R.F company Para areas. To address the long-standing demands of local residents, MLA Paul Dangshu on Monday inspected 3 separate sites under the 40th Karamcherra Assembly constituency designated for the construction of community halls. The projects had previously stalled due to a lack of funds. Speaking to the media, MLA Paul Dangshu stated that the community halls are being constructed in the Mashli Marak Para, Mashli Hati and Deo R.F company areas to provide essential shelter and community spaces for the public.
Tini bazaga visit kalai jaga.
Tini jeng kaitam bisi kalaika sana tangkai. Tini visit kaimani hingkai sini o financial year ni biap fund jeta MLA fund hing tongmani. Oboni rang bai unko jeng community hall cikonsa kai kaisa kene bisi orna kaisa ke Deo reserve bisi kaisa ke Mashli Marak para ni tongo ajaga. Borok agi ni simi sanmani hingkai Mashli bazaro hingkai cremation center borok soknani borok theke hingkai jaga rok kring lai teigana ma soklai aboni bagai kaisa permanent abon bagai bo jaga thainale mani katham jagano unko thangka visit khaika borok local rok jaga confirm khaika hingkai MLA fan baki apno khainai gatai kaisa hingkai jeng unko naikha lama jeta 2023 jepura ang elected ngi phaika apurni simi chaitokmani hoyto department ni fan kaya hoyto কোনো একটা জঞ্জাল টঙ্গি মাখনা তাইবেসা তাকলাই ফানং সিতং হनै তাকলাই বতাইবেসা প্রপোজাল রুই এস্টিমেট খাইরুই তাইবেসা খতালkai সাবমিট খাইনান বাগে আবো ভিজিট খাইমানি
Report by Kiran from Long Valley, Chini, Khorang.